Sendspark has a few different integrations on our integrations page, so I'm going to just walk you through each of them and what each of them does. The first one is a HubSpot app. This is super powerful if you use Sendspark and HubSpot. I would strongly recommend connecting it. It's going to let you see a lot of data in HubSpot. So if anyone in your CRM watches a video or watches 20% of a video or clicks on a call to action or does something tracked in Sendspark, we'll send that directly into HubSpot to let you, one, see it on your contact timeline, and two, be able to set up automation around it. So for example, if someone watches 50% of higher on a Sendspark video, but then doesn't schedule a meeting, you could set up a workflow that looks for that and then automates a follow-up email or something else to just drive that engagement and make sure that you're not losing contacts. Another thing is we have a HubSpot workflow integration, which can be really powerful if you want to automatically generate and send videos. Like, for example, you might track in HubSpot someone signs up for your product. So you want to automatically generate them an AI personalized welcome video and then send that in a HubSpot email. And that's all possible through the HubSpot app. We also have tracking snippets for other CRMs and analytics platforms. And what this basically does is, like, let's say Google Analytics, for example, gives you a little tracking snippet to put on your website to track all page activity in Google Analytics. What you can do is just add the ID for Google Analytics here, and then we have the rest of that tracking snippet already in place. So when you add your ID, it'll be just like you added that tracking snippet to your video pages. So if you use any of these platforms, just see how to connect them, and it's going to help you get more data in the other platforms that you might be using to track like viewer activity and marketing engagement. We also have these instant integrations. As soon as you toggle the Chrome extension, you'll have access to them, and they'll be default enabled. So if you don't want it to show up, you can just toggle it off. But what this lets you do is easily record videos in other platforms. So for example, if we go into Gmail, we'll now see the Sendspark icon right here in the Compose window. And you can click on this to record a new video right from Gmail, insert your last recording, or view your video library. And this can just make it a little bit faster to be able to record and send videos, especially if you wanted to send existing content that you already created. Lastly, over here, we have an email platform shortcut customizer. So this is helpful when you're using our dynamic variables. If you just wanted to pre-save the platforms you use, like let's say, we're using HubSpot, so we want to keep this checked, then it just lets you pin the email sending platforms you use all the time. Save you a little bit of time searching later on. We hope this helps you use Sendspark in the places that you're already spending most of your day to make your workflow a little bit faster.